What inspired me to get into technology was just building things. My dad used to bring home old computers and I would take them apart and put them back together again. And just that general curiosity of how the computers work and how they function is what really pushed me into pursuing a career in technology. Being a software engineer at a bank, a lot of what I do is make sure that the bank works smoothly. So you can kind of think of me as a person behind the scenes helping to ensure that your money gets transferred okay, that your ATM is online, that the website is available. These are the sort of things that we as software engineers help build and work on. A typical day for me really starts by me getting into the office, setting my stuff down, plugging my laptop in. Me and my colleagues will go out, get a coffee, then we'll come back, and that's kind of when the workday actually really starts. Throughout my day, I'll have different meetings. Some of those might be solution designing, some of those might be working with my team members, planning things. And then the rest of my day, I can typically spend also just coding. That could be with other people, that can be by myself too. It's really quite flexible and each day is different from the last. The big problem that we're solving is how can we try and provide the best digital experience to our customers, whether that be in the app, online, or even in person as well too. Without people working on this software, things fall apart. And so our job is really important to ensuring that these services remain useful and available, as well as that they continue to develop with new features. One of the most important hard skills I think you can have as an engineer is really just computing fundamentals. Having this high-level understanding of how a computer works really benefits you in being able to pick up any other type of technology. Once you understand the computing fundamentals, I find that you can start to pick out the similarities between different languages, technologies, and all sorts of different aspects, which in general just makes life easier as an engineer. The most important soft skill, in my opinion, is just communication skills, whether that be written or verbal. There's a common misconception that as engineers, you're just writing code all day, but if anything, it's the opposite of that. We write code for a portion of our day, but we also spend a lot of time talking with people and being in meetings and collaborating with our colleagues. Sometimes we're writing documents as well. These are all important things that we as engineers do every day. And having those communication skills is incredibly important to you being a valuable engineer and a great team member. I think there are plenty of great opportunities out there to those who want to get into technology. I think joining university clubs is a fantastic way to get some experience outside of your normal classes. ACS networking events are incredibly valuable towards expanding your network and finding that first job. And there are plenty of great online resources as well for those who really want to just develop those hard technical skills. I think all of these put together is what really helped me towards finding my first job and really getting into the industry. My advice if you're looking to get into technology is to find what excites you about technology. Whether that's building apps, building websites, just dive head first. The more inspired you are by what you are doing, the easier you'll find you'll be able to do it.